Brinkley is the model or the company, the trailer that we would have went with if we had not purchased the Airstream. Or the Airstream was the finalist and the Brinkley is a runner-up. That's pass-through storage there. A lot of space. Brinkley is, I just like the color scheme that's on the outside of this trailer. It was nice. Not only was it nice on the outside, the exterior, the paint scheme, walking on the inside is just luxury. It's nicely put together. And off the back end there, it's a you fold that down and you have a little patio, a back deck with an awning. And it does have an awning on the side too. Stepping up into the vehicle, that folded back deck back there. Not only could you barbecue, you got a refrigerator, small size refrigerator and storage and a TV back there. You can have a great old time on the back deck. And look at that storage area. So it's a nice option, a nice runner-up to the Airstream. Moving on into the living space, that slide out on both sides. There's a slide out, and as you can see, it's nicely done. It's well done. It looks, the material that they're used, it looks as though it looked at as though it was real wood, not as much pressed wood in the vehicle. And cooktop there, water in the center there, and a place, lots of space to cook. Full-size refrigerator and a pantry, full pantry. Look at all that space. That's a lot of space. And up above, great space. And then going towards the back, again, just looking at how this interior looks nicely done. Lots of storage. Now you can have your grandkids stay in this one. Also, going back to the bathroom, the couple's bathroom there. The shower is large enough for a person to step inside. A queen size bed. Not much space on each side of the bed, but still nice. And a closet, nice closet there. And additional space. And that, I think that's a washer and dryer location, because the hoses are there, so you can put a washer and dryer right there. And TV also. Nice. Going back to look at this price, $119.99 for the trailer, Model Z 3420.
But this is what, if
Model
we were
Z
going to buy
3420.
something?
Great. Now for this one, around the backside, and another look at the back deck. Just look at that color scheme. It's nice. And the two slide out for the living area and slide out for the bedroom. Then I looked at another Brinkley Model Z, a 29,297. Now this one has the awning, and it did not have a back deck in the rear. But great space in this one too. Look at the living area. Nicely done. Nice living area, similar to the previous Model Z. Lots of space. TV in the living room, full-size refrigerator, 4 burner cooktop, big pantry there. Again, if we had not bought the Airstream Globetrotter on the very first day of the show, of the RV show, this is the number 2. This is our runner-up, Brinkley. It's a good brand. It's well put together, and less pressed wood, real wood, and it's just a nice soft cushion couch. The couch can be turned into a bed, so for the grandparents, couples, if you have small grandkids, you can bring your grandkids with you in this one. But this is mainly aimed towards a couple who's living on the road. This would be a nice choice for them. Now, this is Reaching Freedom. Thank you for watching, and take the time to like and subscribe and comment. Is this a good choice for you? See you next time. Reaching Freedom out.